Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now here I have a facial serum. This is an homemade facial serum that I whip up in my kitchen. A facial serum helps to hydrate, moisturize, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, boosts collagen production and elastin in the skin. This serum here guys is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. It also have some K vitamin in it. I use this serum to transform my skin, to take my skin from dull skin to a more radiant, natural, glowing skin. It's a serum that you can use on your face. You can spritz it on or you can press it on like I'm showing here. And oh my goodness, this serum have a very pleasant fragrance. Now a serum is always packed with all the natural concentrated enzyme that you can use on the skin for that glowing look, for that bright skin. Now what I like about this serum is that it is also good for the neck and the décolleté. I use this serum religiously guys. It's the serum that I am so proud of. Now if you have not been using a serum, you really need to start using a serum, because the serum goes right on top of your facial toner and it's what helps to repair the skin. It is what helps to take your skin to the next level. Now most of you are not familiar with using the serum, and guess what, you are really missing out. So start using a serum on your skin today. And if you do not have the funds to buy yourself one, try one of mine. I have several on my channel page. This one, you want the recipe, it's gonna be coming up on the page sometime soon, so look out for it. But I have so many others on the channel page that you can try, and all of these I'm using all natural ingredients. I'm telling you guys, since I started using these home remedies on my skin is totally transformed for the better. I steam, I exfoliate, and guess what, I use up my beauty products. So I'm just encouraging you to do so. Now guys, if you are new to skincare, I have a 25-day skincare challenge. The link is in the description box below. You can click on it and you can watch those videos. Those videos teach you to take care of your skin overall. It goes from cleansing to toning, moisturizing, steaming, and just lifting and firming. And guess what, guys? It also helps you to develop your own skincare routine. Must watch, link in the description box below. Another thing I want you to know that we have a show on this channel. It's a live show and we are on every Sunday. We take skincare questions, we interact with each other, and we just share all we know about getting your skin to look years younger. Must watch of Sunday, 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every Sunday. And guess what? My channel page is there loaded with a host of information that you can use to get your skin to the next level. So here what you do, click on my face below. It's going to take you to my channel page. Once you get on my channel page, then click on playlist and also click on videos, and you're going to see an amazing array of videos. Natural. You're into natural skincare, this is it for you. You're not even into skincare, this is the place for you, because once you watch a few videos, you're going to be into skincare. And don't forget guys, use your serum on the skin, because the serum is loaded with all the rich antioxidants that's going to help you transform your skin. Now as soon as this video is posted, I'm going to put the link, so watch out for this guys. And guess what, I start doing short videos, so check out my shorts, and I think I share a bit of this on my YouTube shorts. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.